Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about free traffic for affiliate marketing. Now, real quick before we get into the content, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically. All right, so let's get into today's content. But first things first, I want to say this, all right? If I want you to focus on this one word throughout this entire video. Focus. Focus. That's it. Focus. And that's how you're going to get the breakthrough, all right? Now, I'm not going to do this how I would usually do it, all right? This video is going to be a little bit different. But I'm going to give you the standards. You see, because, my followers, the ones who've been watching me for, as long as you've been watching me, you pretty much know by now that I'm in the military. And the way things that are broken down are when I go to work, right, things are laid out step by step. Hey, you do this, this is how you do this, right? So it's step by step. So I want to give you the standards, the baseline of what you're supposed to be doing. Because you see, when I started in business, the only thing I had in mind, my intent was to get in business, but I didn't know that I was just going to go from this business to this business to this business to this business to this business, right? So I was basically doing this, right? Let's just put, let's type, let's see here. Let's just type some words, right? We're going to say biz, right? Let's just, did it just freeze on me? I think it just froze on me, guys. All right, sorry. So, all right, so let's try this again. All right, so biz. So under this, let's just say I was doing little streaks, right? I was just doing this business, this business, this business, this business, this business. And you know what I found out about that? That's the road to failure, right? There was no standards. I didn't have a mentor. I didn't know what to do. So I just kept failing and failing and failing and failing and wasting my money, right? And so after some time, right, after getting a mentor, after being given the same baseline standards that I'm going to be giving you, after I started following those, that's when I started to make money. That's when I started to generate leads, right? That's when I had my first $1,000 month. That's when I was able to have a consistent $1,000 months. That is the only reason why, guys. So if you're watching this right now, I want you to pay very close attention, and I'm still going to give you free traffic methods for affiliate marketing. I am going to do that, but I have to give you the baseline first, okay? All right, so let's get into it. All right, so let's go ahead and delete this right here. Now I'm going to put some boxes up here. Give me just a moment. Where's my boxes? All right, here we go, my rectangle. All right, so in the middle, right, I'm going to leave this one blank. I'm going to leave this one blank just until we get the other boxes out of the way, and you'll see why I'm doing that. All right, so I'm going to draw some nice small box over here. Nice small box over here. All right. Okay, let me get that out of the way. Okay, so it doesn't want to get out of the way. That's kind of weird. All right, so there we go. All right, so let me draw another box, right? And then one more box. So we're going to start from the outside, and then we're going to come and then we're going to move in, because this right here is why you're doing all four of these things, okay? All right, so number one. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you have to know which niche you're going to get involved with. All right, so what I'm going to do in this box right here, I'm going to go ahead and put the text, and I'm going to put niche in there, okay? That's number one. If you don't pick a niche, you're just going to be doing what I was talking about earlier, where you literally were just doing this, right? You got to, let me type biz again, right? Biz. And then boom, you're just going to have all these different businesses, all these different auto ships, just keep failing and keep failing and keep failing. I don't want that to be you, okay? I don't want you to be doing that, because I went through that, and that's painful, okay? Painful. All right, so let's continue. So let's go back to the lettering. So the niche is important. And the three most profitable niches out there right now are health, wealth, and relationships. Those three are the most profitable. Not saying that's what you have to do, but those three are making the most money time after time after time after time, right? So I just wanted to bring that up. All right, so niche. Now, the next box. What is the next thing? Since you found your niche, what do you need to do now? You need a product. You need something to sell, right? So this is what we're going to put in this box. Products, okay? Products or offer or service, whatever it is, right? Whatever it is, that's what needs to be in this box. Why? Because you got your niche, you got your product, and guess where we're going after that, right? You need to get traffic to this, right? You need to get traffic. So what are we going to put in this box over here? Let's just put strategy, right? Because that's really what you need, right? You need a strategy to be able to drive traffic to the product, right? And the last process is probably, I wouldn't say the most important, because all of these are very important. But see, the thing about the strategy, right? And let me talk real quickly about that. All right, you got your product. You can use ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. What else? You Peerfly, Max Bounty. There's a ton of different affiliate networks out there and CPA networks that you can literally get started with, right? I don't want to stay too long on that. But the strategy, okay, whatever strategy you use to get traffic over here, right? I wish I had an arrow that I can draw. All right, so this goes like this. Let me just do this. I wish this would move out of the way. Okay, so here we go. Boom. You got your niche. Boom. You got your product. Now, you need to drive traffic over here to the product using this strategy. So that could be Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. It doesn't matter which strategy you use. I would recommend you use one strategy, master that strategy till you get to a point where you're making consistent money with this product right here. All right. Now, the thing about the strategy, like I said, you don't have to, it does not matter which one it is, but the thing about the platforms you're going to be using is that you don't own them, okay? So that means that if you use YouTube, right? YouTube is a website. It can be shut down at any time. If you use Facebook, let's say they change up, their rules and they don't allow what you promote anymore, right? Now what are you going to do? You see, the platform is not yours. The followers that you have on that platform are not yours. See, for example, Facebook. Those followers are Facebook's. Yes, they follow you, but at any time they can be taken away, right? That's where step number 4 comes in. Let me go ahead and put the text right here. Step number 4 is to build your list. See, your list belongs to you. Those people put their information in, and now you're able to market to them through the email, okay? Or if you use ManyChat, right, like a bot, you're able to market to them through the bot, right, and send them broadcast messages as if you were sending them emails, like with GetResponse, which is what I use, or Aweber, right? And there's many more out there, but I won't really get into those. But this strategy, guys, is like once you understand that you need to pick a niche, because if you don't pick a niche, you're going to be doing the biz thing. You're going to be doing biz over here, auto ships, and all this other stuff. Get the niche, pick a product or offer, right? High converting offer, something that you see that's already working. Pick a strategy, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, whatever, right? Drive the traffic to the product. While you're doing this, understand you don't own the people that are on those platforms. Facebook, YouTube, you don't own them. The platforms own them. So you need to drive them. Oh, let me get my pen. Okay. You need to drive them right here to your list. Now remember what I said. That can be let me use the text. And let's start another one. That could be GetResponse, which is what I use. I'll leave a link for that in the description. It's real. It's definitely affordable. I think I want to say it's like $15 a month, depending on how large your list is. And if you're just getting started, maybe you're just getting started, you could just pay $15 a month, guys, because one thing you gotta realize is you can't do your business completely free. Okay? Never let anybody tell you that you can do it completely free. There's gonna be some tools that you have to pick up to be able to get this thing rocking and rolling, especially if you want to one day automate your business, because that's what tools like GetResponse, you got Aweber, what else? I think something that is called, oh, I won't do that. I'll just do those two for now. All right, so GetResponse, Aweber, that allows you to send automated emails. Okay, so like for example, when somebody puts their email in their name and email in your capture page, right, it's gonna automatically send them an email. Depending on how you set it up, maybe you don't send it the first day. That's all up to you, right? But it allows you to automate and still make money while you're out doing whatever it is that you're doing, which I'm sure by now you've heard many people say, oh, I got passive income, it's just making it, and it's blah, 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 right? I don't want to give you fluff. I want to give you something that works, because this is the baseline, okay? Now, what is in the middle? You're probably wondering, like, Rakeem, okay, I got all of this, right? Strategy and building my list. Well, you see, the niche, in every niche, you have what? With every product is supposed to solve what? The strategy, the strategy, or the platform that you're using to drive traffic to the product has people on it, right? And they all have what? And you're building your list and sending emails and broadcasts to the people trying to solve what? Here we go, guys. You're trying to solve their problems. Guys, everything relates back to problems. You got into that niche, you knew there was problems that could be solved, because when you solve problems, that's how you make money. Okay? Products. Here's the product. That product was made to solve someone's problem. That strategy that you're using, that platform has people on it, and people have what? Problems, and you are the solution. Whatever you have is the solution. All right? And building your list, you're going to be able to send them broadcasts as well, over and over and over and over again, until they eventually say, okay, my problem is solved. I'm going to pull out my credit card right now because I need that problem solved. All right? So problems. Now the last one, guys, and it's not here on the screen, but I'll draw another box. I don't really have to, but I'll just do it just for the heck of it. All right, so here we go. The last one, the last and final thing that you have to do is to take action. And matter of fact, I should have just put take imperfect action, because you see, people try to be perfect, and they'll, like, let's say for instance they do a video, right? And then maybe they don't like it, and so they just keep wasting their time. No, take imperfect action. Just do it. Just do it. Just take action every single day. Show up every single day. I promise you, because listen, when I wasn't showing up every day, I wasn't making any money. When I wasn't doing videos, I wasn't making any money, right? When people didn't know when people didn't know I was in business, and I really was in business, I was making no money. So if you're watching this right now, take a picture, save this video, put it in your color note, keep it on you. Because if you don't follow this right here, this is the baseline. And you see, it's just a 5-step strategy. This is the baseline of what you need to do. Right? Forget all the hypey strategies and everything that you're hearing. Listen, this is the baseline standard. If you don't use this, I'm not going to say you're not going to make money. You're just not going to make the type of money that you're really looking to make. Okay? So what I'm going to do is down in the description, because I did promise you a free affiliate, free traffic for affiliate marketing. I did promise you that, right? So down in the description, I'm going to put my free YouTube course, which is going to teach you my exact strategy on how I'm able to rank videos on the first page of YouTube, and how I now have over 160,000 views right here on this channel, closing in on 2,000 subscribers and continuing to grow. All right, so that free course is down in the description. As well, I put a video that I did teaching you how to use Quora for affiliate marketing, and you know, along with Quora, that's a powerful site. A powerful site. It's literally a question and answer platform that you can literally drive traffic from right there, send them right over to your YouTube channel. Or in certain cases, if you're providing enough value and you're doing it correctly, you could actually get them over to an affiliate link. But you kind of want to be careful. So like I said, I have the free YouTube course down below in the description, and also the free video training that I did right here on YouTube for a Quora, on how to dominate with Quora in affiliate marketing. Okay, so with that being said, I hope you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me some thumbs up. Also, drop a comment down below, let me know what you thought. And with that being said, guys, if you want to learn how to literally target anywhere in the world, pinpoint a location and go from 1,000 to 10,000 yards, 10,000 meters in radius, then I also have a very powerful device. All you have to do is just click that link. That'll be down there as well. It says Virtual Gym. Make sure you pick that up, and we can definitely have a conversation, because my phone number will be where you see that link down there is. All right, so with that being said, I hope you got, like I said, I hope you got some value. And with that being said, I will be going out of this video right now. Peace.